Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to do a mail merge. So a mail merge might be used if you want to print out a form letter, or maybe even if you want that mail merge, instead of printing it out and to be mailed, you can also send it via email. The point being is a mail merge is really good when you have multiple contacts you want to send some kind of form letter to. So right now we did a lookup of Duke Industries, Marion Morrison, and there's 8 people at Duke Industries. So let's say we want to send them all the same letter, a form letter. I'm going to go up and click on Write. I'm going to go down to where it says Mail Merge. When I click on that, up top, I'm going to have the output go to either the word processor, email, or printer. So in this case, I'm just going to have it go to the word processor so we can see it on the screen and you can see what it looks like. At this point, we're also going to be asked, where do we want it to go to? Do we want it to go to the current lookup, which are the 8 people at Duke Industries, or as a current contact, the individual on the screen? We can choose from here. At this point, I'm going to come down and choose the actual template that I want to have it go to. And the template we're going to use is right here, the select template. And I'm going to click on Browse. I don't think that stands out really well. And I remember the last time I did this, I was like, oh yeah, I missed that. But I'm going to click on Browse. Here we've got an initial communication. I'm going to click Open. So now that's the template. I'm going to click Save. And now I want you to watch the process that's going to happen as we start working through this. Now where this is a little bit different than ACT if you use it on the desktop is on the desktop, this just sort of happened by opening up Microsoft Word, which is in this case my default word processor. Up here we have this merge.am, and I'm just going to click on Open to open that up. And when I do that, this box will pop up creating the mail merge or the documents I need for that mail merge. So it's a little bit of a different thing to get used to, but it's right here in front of you. It's merging all the contacts. And again, we could have this sent to the printer. If you have letterhead, you could put the letterhead in the printer so it prints properly. I'm not going to get into all the alignment issues you might have there, but it takes a little bit of practice if you're printing it on your own letterhead. Now, I have 2 screens, so this is the document. We're at the last one, so I'm going to go all the way up to the top. And this is our mail merge right there. So as I go through these, you'll see that it created a document for each one of these 8 contacts. That's how you create a mail merge. I'm going to minimize this to get away from it. If you wanted to, you could print that out. But that's how you create a mail merge in ACT Premium Cloud. Thank you, everyone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Be well, my friends.